In this comprehensive video, I delve into my in-depth experience with the Asus Rog Ally X, having utilized the device for nearly a month. My review encompasses a detailed unboxing, exploring the sleek design and premium packaging. I then transition to a thorough examination of the hardware features, including the redesigned grips, enhanced joysticks, and dual USB-C port. Next, I explore the software capabilities, discussing the seamless integration of Microsoft Windows and Asus's Armory crate. I highlight the intuitive interface, customization options, and performance optimization tools. Finally, I share my real-world experience with battery life, showcasing the device's endurance during extended gaming sessions. Throughout the video, I provide candid insights, highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of the Asus Rog Ally X. Join me on this immersive journey as I uncover the intricacies of this powerful handheld gaming device. Asus has implemented several significant hardware changes in the Rog Ally X, with varying degrees of success. One notable improvement is the redesigned grip, now more rounded and ergonomic, providing a comfortable hold even during extended gaming session. The addition of a Thunderbolt USB-C port is a welcome feature, enabling faster data transfer and charging. However, the removal of the XG Mobile eGPU port is a disappointing omission, limiting the device's potential for external graphics processing. The joysticks have been upgraded to a firmer, more responsive design, while the buttons appear slightly taller, although their tactile feedback remains unchanged. Unfortunately, the trigger buttons exhibit a noticeable looseness, potentially impacting precision and control. Overall, Asus's hardware changes are a mixed bag, with both appreciated enhancements and puzzling regressions. The Rog Ally X boasts a larger battery, resulting in a slightly heavier and thicker design, but yields remarkable battery life improvement. During rigorous testing, I achieved impressive results. 49 minutes of Call of Duty multiplayer gameplay and 31 minutes of Helldivers 2 action. Plenty of juice left. This significant enhancement makes extended gaming sessions a reality. Storage-wise, the device comes with 1 TB, which can rapidly fill up with demanding games and content. To address this, I upgraded to a 4 TB Western Digital Black NVMe SSD, unlocking vast storage potential. This expansion enables seamless game installation, saving, and loading without worrying about running out of space. The combination of enhanced battery life and expanded storage capacity solidifies the Rog Ally X as a formidable handheld gaming powerhouse. Software-wise, the Rog Ally X uses Microsoft Windows and Asus's Armory crate. I found it easy to switch between platforms and customize settings using Armory crate. AMD's utility software is also helpful for gaming profile management and performance monitoring. In conclusion, the Asus Rog Ally X has left a positive impression, thanks to its thoughtful upgrades, including enhanced battery life, improved hardware, and expanded storage capabilities. However, I would caution enthusiasts to consider waiting for the potential release of the Rog Ally 2 next year, which promises even more exciting specifications and refinements. For those eager to experience the Rog Ally X firsthand, I invite you to watch my in-depth video review, where I share my hands-on experience and detailed analysis of this powerful handheld gaming device. Witness the device's capabilities, explore its features, and gain a deeper understanding of its strengths and weaknesses. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to make an informed decision when considering the Rog Ally X or its future successor.